So you're wondering when to replace your tires? Well, don't worry, you're in the right place. Welcome to the workshop. Knowing when to replace your tires, it can't be that hard, right, Juliane?
It really isn't, Thomas, as long as you know what signs to look out for. So today I'll show you 3 things. What happens to tires over time, how and when to check if they need replacing, and why you shouldn't replace them too early.
All right, pit stoppers, some assistance, please.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Thank you. So the first thing to note is that tires wear out whatever road you're on or the conditions you drive in. It's like a pencil. It wears down over time until it's impossible to write.
Oh yeah, and no one likes writing with a blunt pencil.
Nope.
So what are the factors that cause your tires to wear out?
Well, other than driving conditions, which are hard to avoid, you need to bear 3 key factors in mind: tire pressure, weight, and driving style.
Okay, starting with tire pressure then. What happens if tires are underinflated?
It can lead to premature wear. For example, if your tires are at 0.5 bars under the recommended pressure, you lose 20% of your tire's longevity.
That sounds like a lot. What's that in miles?
Let's take an example. Imagine your optimal tire lifespan is 30,000 miles. If your tires are inflated to 1.9 bars instead of 2.4 bars, you will lose the equivalent of 6,000 miles. That's the same as New York to Los Angeles and back.
That's a lot. And what about overinflated tires?
They can lead to excessive wear and also an uncomfortable drive.
All right, so what about the weight now?
If you regularly load your vehicle with heavy items, then this can affect tire lifespan too. In fact, it's a good idea to get your tires checked by a professional. If it's the case, they can give you some helpful advice. The final factor that affects tire wear is your driving style.
Racing fans, we're looking at you.
If you're a sporty driver like yourself, then things like aggressive cornering and braking and higher speeds can also affect your tire lifespan.
Yeah, that's a shame.
But bear in mind, the Michelin Pilot Sport range was built with these factors in mind.
So, when is the best time to check if tires need replacing?
Well, as a general rule of thumb, get your tires checked during your regular inspections and annually after 5 years of use. Unless you notice any damage or abnormal wear, in which case you should get them checked as soon as possible.
Got it. And how often should we check our tires for damage or abnormal wear, actually?
Check them every month or before long trips. By the way, you can check your treadwear easily thanks to treadwear indicators found on the pattern of your tires.
It's always a smart idea to check if your tires are in good shape for a smooth trip.
It's also the perfect opportunity to check your tire pressure.
And more about that in the video we're linking here.
And finally, an important thing to bear in mind is that you should definitely replace your tires before 10 years of use.
Oh yeah, take that away from us. Right, Juliane, going back to Michelin tires. Are there any specific ones which help improve lifespan?
Well, Thomas, all Michelin tires are built with long-lasting performance in mind. So whichever one you go for, you'll have a comfortable safe ride up until the last mile. And that includes on wet roads.
Good to know. And that's a great reason not to change them too early.
Exactly. In fact, using them for as long as safely possible can help you save money in the long run.
Always nice. And long-lasting tires are better for the environment too.
Yep, because less consumption means less resources required to produce tires. Therefore, less tire waste too.
Yep. And what can our viewers do to increase the lifespan of their tires?
Ensure that they are correctly inflated by checking them every month, and also try to adapt your driving style, Thomas. A safe, comfortable ride means safe and comfortable tire wear.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Anyway, Juliana, that was really interesting. Thank you very much and see you next time.
Yeah, looking forward to it. Thank you.
I hope you found this episode useful. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and see you next time at the workshop.